domain for your BoldTrail website is you're going to go over to your business.facebook.com. I have the link which has the full article. I just click on domains. It's going to have you go into your business manager, select the account you want to connect the domain for. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this for my office. It's already going to be selected to go right into that brand safety into those domains. So you can see I already have mine, but you're going to go add, create a domain, put the domain that you want it to be for. I already have that, but it's going to be everything. Let me see if I have. So when I go to Provide Elite, it won't have the HTTPS or anything. It'll just be that www. So we're going to come over here. We're going to remove everything before that www. We do not want that / We're going to say add. And then, where did it go? I think because I already did it, maybe. We're going to click, add. And it's already saying I already have it. Let's see, let me put something else in there. Let's see. Just so we can get the prompt. Let's see here. Add. So it says not verified. What you're going to do, it says add meta tag. We're going to copy this meta tag and we're going to put it in the header in our website. So we're going to copy that code. We're going to come over to our max tag. And we're just going to go all the way down. You'll see where we can add our own custom code. And here's the custom code for the header. Now you see I already have this in here. So you're just going to place it. I have a lot of different codes in here for different things. But if you have multiple, I just hit enter and paste so that there's multiple ones. And I already have this. So I don't know if it's going to work or not. But we'll go ahead and hit save. But since that's not this domain. But then, so you copy that in there. And then you will just hit verify domain. And then boom, it pops up as verified. So that's all we need to do to make sure our site is a verified domain. So the links don't get taken off and all of that stuff that's going on right now. Make sure your domain is verified inside of Facebook. It's going to be as part of your business portfolio. So make sure that you have access to that. Just to add that meta tag right inside of your max tag page and you will be good to go. Thanks.